yeah. Look outside, y'all. What season is it anyway? Rain in the evening, ice falls at night, snow in the morning. This can't be right. Spring has not sprung, it's chaos for all. Ice in the springtime, tornadoes in fall. Rain, drought, and fires in the winter, we're getting it all. Sunburn at noon, frostbite by 3. Forecast that sunshine lied to me. Winds howling louder than a freight train scream, and his weather's off his medication, it seems. Mother Nature is crazy, not as nice as you think. She's angry about something, someone buy her a drink. She's throwing lightning like a ballroom fight, mixing up seasons just to spite. If this keeps up, we're all gonna sink. Yeah, somebody buy that woman a drink. Flip-flops and blizzards, tank tops and hail, sunshine at breakfast, by lunch it's a gale. Gardens all flooded, then dry as a bone. Even the weatherman won't answer his phone. Corn's in confusion, the cows look concerned. Fires in January were a lesson we learned. Mosquitoes in December buzz in my ear. I swear last night I saw a hurricane deer. Clouds roll in like they own the place. Thunder cracks with a smirk on her face. She's spinning that wheel like a carnival ride, and we're just hanging on for dear life. Mother Nature is crazy, not as nice as you think. She's angry about something, someone buy her a drink. She's pouring lane like cheap red wine, then freezes it over in record time. If this keeps up, we're all gonna sink. Yeah, somebody buy that woman a drink.
She's mad about the things we've done. Maybe she's just having too much fun.
Spinning that globe like a bottle of sin, laughing while the storm rolls in.
Hot, cold, rain, fire.
She's turning up the thermostat wide. Mother Nature is crazy, not as nice as you think. She's angry about something, someone buy her a drink. She's got thunder in her whiskey soul, hurricane heart and no control. We'll ride it out on the brink, but somebody buy that woman a drink. Yeah, next week it's probably snowing in July.
Cheers, Mother Nature.